Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can view all your friend requests on Roblox. Okay guys, first of all, you can go to the Roblox homepage and then you're going to scroll up, and at the top of your screen, you're going to see friends option, and then you're going to click on see all here and click on this icon. And here you will find all the friend requests on your Roblox. Or for another method, you can go to the more option and select the friends. And again, click on this icon and you'll open the friend requests. Okay guys, and that's all the tutorial for today. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching. And if you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to the channel. Bye!